13th Global Public Speaking Championship. Please give a huge round of applause. बड़ी प्यारी सी बात है, when someone takes you in the darkness of life, you must be the light of yours. There is chicken in this egg. If we break from outside, there will not be any chicken. The chicken will die. Same way, ladies and gentlemen, I just want to make you sure that if the people knock you from outside, blood, and you will find the best version of yourself. Nobody can demoralize you. Nobody can demotivate you. Nobody can discriminate you. Nobody can pull you down. That today's session is gonna be an amazing session for me. I'm gonna experience it. I'm gonna win it. Because are you with yourself now?
I'm with myself.
Give a complete answer. Are you with yourself?
Yes, I'm with myself.
Are you ready?
Yes,
are you excited?
Yes,
are you interested? Good afternoon. Are you all excited?
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's lovely. Please give a huge round of applause for yourself. Some more. Release your stress by applauding yourself once more. It's a very special and great moment for all of us because we are gathering here for one of the greatest competition of Happiness Institute, and in the history of Happiness Institute, this is known as the 13th Global Public Speaking Championship. Please give a huge round of applause. आवाज तो तालियों की आ रही है, लेकिन चेहरे से ये लग रहा है कि सनम जेल में बंद है आज, राइट? इसलिए वो चीज नहीं लगनी चाहिए, राइट? स्ट्रेस तो सबको होता है, बट स्ट्रेस रिलीजर आज हम लोगों को बनना है, बिकॉज वी आर गोइंग टू गिव स्पीचेस. सो ओके, thank you very much. Please have a seat. We will begin this. First of all, I welcome you all in this great and special championship program. So as we know, this is the program which is hosted monthly or after 2 months in Happiness Institute. It has a purpose. The purpose is very simple: to find out and to seek your confidence and your public speaking skills. Let's really make it remarkable, memorable, special, and amazing, because we know that every moment is a celebration. So this moment is absolutely us, and all of us are so proud that we are going to be the part of this 13th Global Public Speaking Championship. Has conducted and done its 12 public speaking championship programs, and now it is conducting the 13th Global Public Speaking Championship, ladies and gentlemen. And I know that you all must be wondering, surprising, that हमारा तो पहली बार है. पहली बार सब कुछ होता है, पहली बार प्यार भी होता है, इसलिए पहली बार में कोई भी घबराने की जरूरत नहीं है, क्योंकि घबराना मना है. हैप्पीनेस इंस्टीट्यूट का मकसद यही है. आइए हम सब मिलकर अपने आप को इतना कॉन्फिडेंट बनाएं कि जिंदगी में सिर्फ स्टेज पे बोलने की बात ना हो, बल्कि हर वो चुनौतियों का सामना करने की बात हो जहाँ पे हम घबराए नहीं, हम सब मजबूती से डटे रहे, खड़े रहे, और हम सब अपने आप से मोहब्बत करें, अपने आप से बगावत ना करें. सो दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. बड़ी प्यारी सी बात है, व्हेन समवन टेक्स यू इन द डार्कनेस ऑफ लाइफ, you must be the light of yours. When someone tries to fire you, you must be the water to douse the fire for yourself. When someone discourages you and pulls you down, you must be the encourager for yourself. And when someone hurts you, hates you, dislikes you, criticizes you, comments you, and says bad things about you, you must be compliments of yours. And that is why today we are going to celebrate that today we, us, ourselves, and absolutely only our Jalwa. Ladies and gentlemen, as we know that it is very important to celebrate ourselves and to know ourselves and to understand ourselves That is why in starting at initial phase, I said that people will do you down, but you have to encourage yourself to mark your name in the history of mystery. And when there will be yourself, you will be the mystery of yourself, right? As you know, in Gaon we call mystery, right? So mystery means who constructs and builds the building. तो स्पेशली मैं चट्टान तो नहीं, चट्टान के जैसा मजबूत खड़ा हूं। मैं चट्टान तो नहीं, चट्टान के जैसा मजबूत खड़ा हूं। मैं सूरज तो नहीं, लेकिन सूरज से ज्यादा रोशनी मुझ में। मैं चांद तो नहीं, मुझ में फिर भी चांदनी है। मैं कोई रास्ता तो नहीं, फिर भी मंजिल तक पहुंचा सकता हूं। मैं कोई दोस्त यार तो नहीं, फिर भी दोस्ती करा सकता हूं। मैं मिठाई तो नहीं, लेकिन मैं मिठास का एहसास दिला सकता हूं, क्योंकि मैं एक इंसान हूं और मैं अपने आप को जानता हूं, मानता हूं। मैं खुद की तलाश करता हूं, मैं खुद पर विश्वास करता हूं। इसीलिए आज मैं किसी न किसी नए काम को करने का प्रयास करता हूं। दैट्स वाई इट्स मी। आज मैं हूं, मैं हूं, मैं हूं। बहुत खास पल है, बहुत खास लम्हा है। इट्स अ वेरी स्पेशल एंड अमेजिंग मोमेंट। होप यू ऑल अंडरस्टैंड। तो आइए, लोग आपको डराएंगे, आपको खुद का विश्वास बनना होगा। लोग आपको परेशान करेंगे, आपको खुद की उम्मीद बनना होगा। लोग आपको हताश और निराश करेंगे, आपको खुद की उम्मीदों का पुल बनना होगा। लोग आपको नीचे जरूर गिराएंगे, फिर भी आपको अपना साथी बनना होगा। लोग आपसे नफरत तो करेंगे, आपको खुद की मोहब्बत बनना होगा। लोग आपको कम मानेंगे, कम आंकेंगे, लेकिन फिर भी आपको अपने लिए मोहब्बत का पैगाम देना होगा। और साथ साथ में लोग आपका नाम तो खराब करेंगे सनम, आपको खुद से खुद का नाम करना होगा। सो लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, वी ऑल हैव द पोटेंशियल एंड द पावर। आज का सेशन, आज का प्रोग्राम, आज की पब्लिक स्पीकिंग इसलिए है कि आप खुद को जानिए, तलाशिए। हम सबको पता है कि जब हम यहाँ पे आते हैं, जब हम कोई शुरुआत करते हैं, तो वी आर लाइक 0, अदरवाइज 10%, 20%। हम 10% होते हैं, 20% होते हैं, 0 होते हैं, हम 100% नहीं होते। लेकिन जब हम उस पे एफर्ट्स लगा कर हम कहीं ना कहीं उस पे जो है कि बहुत मजबूत बन जाते हैं, कम से कम 70-80% तो बन ही जाते हैं। दैट इज वाई, इसलिए अब जैसे कोई कहेगा कि व्हाई डू यू वांट टू अटेंड मिस्टर अब्दुल्ला सर्स क्लासेस, तो आप बोलेंगे यार पता नहीं, लेकिन फिर भी लगता है कि 12-13 साल से बंदा पढ़ा रहा है, कुछ तो होगा, चलो उसका एक्सपीरियंस ही ले लिया जाए। This is called consistency, and absolutely I want to claim it that consistency has the biggest power in the world. Ladies and gentlemen, I know it's your first time. I know it's your first time, but it's all right. Don't cry. Relax yourself. Problem is very simple, that you will start shivering and you will start striking within yourself. You will start getting the emotions and the feelings of butterflies in your stomach. And you will start realizing that, oh my God, this is quite hard for me. I can't do it because I have never done it in my life. How can I do this? And believe in me that this is gonna be everlasting experience. This is gonna be one of the most special experience. I will give you an example, and I'm sorry to those who are pure vegetarian, right? Who don't eat eggs. I'm sorry for those, but I'm not gonna break this egg. I'm gonna give you an example. The example is very simple. The example is that when this egg is hatched by hens and ducks, it gets stronger and we can get one more life out of this egg. When there is a chooser, a chicken inside of this egg, it just tries to break within an inch from inside, and it breaks the egg and it comes out of the egg and it says, yeah, bacha paida ho gaya. And we know that then after that we get alive. We get alive, and that life is very important. But if I do one thing, if I take a knife and if I just break this egg will be just egg. Whether you can make omelette, bhurji, or any other delicacy, delicious and scrumptious dish. But there is one common difference. When we break this egg from outer world, we don't find anything, we find just light taste. And when there is chicken in this egg, if we break from outside, there will not be any chicken. The chicken will die. Same way, ladies and gentlemen, I just want to make you sure that if the people knock you from outside, hey, Krishna, come on, wake up, do something. Your life is important. Go, get it. Go, hunt your dreams. Go and see. Go and find yourself. And you will not wake yourself up. You will be down because somebody is knocking you from outside. But the moment you just understand your potential, you knock from inside, you will be the strongest person in this world. Ladies and gentlemen, that is why I want to tell you today, no Abdullah sir is required. No Abdullah sir is required if you are powerful within and from inside of your life, from your heart and emotions, from your mind, from your neurons, from your cells, from your blood, and you will find the best version of yourself. Nobody can demoralize you. Nobody can demotivate you. Nobody can discriminate you. Nobody can pull you down. Trust me, this is my last stage. That today's session is going to be an amazing session for me. I'm going to experience it. I'm going to win it. Because I trust. I know that I am going to mark my name. I'm going to prove that I can break a leg. I can speak. I can do it. And I know that these are my competitors. But trust me, these competitors are nothing. They are just like mohra for me. They are just like a small light for me. They are just like a small light for me. Trust me. Within 5 minutes, I will prove I am one of the most confident person. I will not lose. I will defeat. I will not lose. I will defeat. I will win this competition. Last night, I prepared. 2 days back, I prepared. 3 days back, I prepared. That's why today, my soul is with me. My goal is with me. My God is with me. My emotion is with me. My promotion is with me. My heart is with me. My mind is with me. My feeling is with me. My body is with me. My words are with me. My sentences are with me. My preparation is with me. And each and everything is with me. Now let me ask you, ladies and gentlemen. No, I'm asking to you. You answer. Are you with yourself now?
I'm with myself.
Give a complete answer. Are you with yourself?
Yes, I'm with myself.
Are you ready?
Yes,
are you excited?
Yes,
are you interested?
Yes,
do you think that this stage is easy for you?
Yes,
do you think that you can defeat Atulya Bhatnagar today? Do you think that you can defeat Simran today?
Yes, sir.
Do you think that you can defeat Dipanshu today?
Yes, sir.
Do you think that you can defeat Raj Pandey today?
Yes, sir.
Do you think that you can defeat Muzammil today?
Yes, sir.
And do you think that you can defeat yourself today?
Yes, sir.
Of course not, right? Are you ready to defeat yourself?
Yes, sir.
Are you ready to win the stage?
Yes, sir.
Are you ready to break a leg?
Yes, sir.
Are you ready to speak?
Yes, sir.
Are you ready to win the stage?
Yes, sir.
Are you ready to compete? Are you ready to beat
No, I'm not ready to beat
others?
others. I'm ready to
Good.
beat others.
I'm ready to beat others. So, are you ready to initiate the program today?
Yes, sir.
Everybody give a huge round of applause for yourself. थोड़ा और तेज से. Come on, everybody. But before welcoming, I would like to say that मुश्किलों से भाग जाना आसान होता है. हर पहलू जिंदगी का इम्तिहान होता है. डरने वालों को मिलता नहीं कुछ इस जहान में, लड़ने वालों के कदमों में जहान होता है. Ladies and gentlemen, as we know कि आपको आपका पैर लड़खड़ाएगा, आपकी जुबान लड़खड़ाएगी, लेकिन ये बार बार की आपकी प्रैक्टिस आपको एक अच्छा स्पीकर बनाएगी.